In today's video, we're going to be looking at this dropshipping winning products called Foot Massage Ionic Detox, Foot Bath, Aqua Cell Spa, Machine Ion Cleanse, Ionic Foot Bath, Massage Detox, Foot Detox, Array Aqua Spa. This is called the winning product on AliExpress. Why is it a winning product? First, it's sold online on AliExpress and can be sold online on your one product dropshipping store. And it most importantly solves a particular problem. What is problem exactly does this winning product solve? And let's check on Google on the advantages of foot massage ionic detox. Let's check its advantage. We'll copy this and come to Google and type in advantages of this. Let's see what Google have to say. Says the primary benefit of an ionic detox foot bath is that it enhances the body's own natural detoxification abilities. Now, this is the main advantages of that of that product. Also, have to say that this allows the body to remove heavy metals and other toxic elements from the body more efficiently, assisting the body's natural detoxification process results in a stronger immune system. This is the key advantage of that product. It helps improve our immune system so that we can live healthy life and live longer. Okay, let's go further. On AliExpress, such product has 4.5-star reviews with 39 reviews with 143 orders. It's sold on AliExpress at a cost price of $38.02 USD. The plug type US plug, European Union plug, UK plug, and Australia plug. So you can target mainly 4 countries: US, the European Union, target them apart from 4 countries, target other countries, target US, and target UK, target Europe, can target Canada, New Zealand when selling this product. It comes to different color variation, and standard voltage is 110 to 240 voltage. It ships to United States. Free shipping from China to United States via AliExpress standard shipping. Smart delivery is on April 2nd. So this is March 2022. You can drop on this product. You can sell this product on your dropshipping store, and you have a high profit margin. You also have further or more shipping. Click on more option. Let's see if you have other shipping options. You see, okay, free shipping, free tracking is also available for short shipping. Now let's check similar competitors selling these products. Let's see how their dropshipping store looks like, and let's see if they're currently running Facebook ads. The store currently selling this product is called their Facebook page is called Zara B. You can name your Facebook page based on the result this product gives. You can name it based on the results. You can say stronger immune hacks. Or human immune hacks as your Facebook page. Instead of naming is RB. Let's on the about page says RB is an online brand selling the latest products, including baby essentials. They are selling different products in our store, but for this particular product, let's see they are currently running Facebook ads. Let's go down page visibility. So let's scroll down. This page is currently running ads for such products. Now, if you scroll up, you'll see they are running picture ads as an ad copy. It says Ionic and Detox Machine Cleanse Foot Spa Massage. Ionic Detox improving the permeability of cell membrane, separating the toxins in the body to restore normal function and function of cells. Now, they use the advantages or the benefits of such products for their ad copy. It has a great effect. Going further, they still have the effect helping the human body's environment achieve balance, and stating it only for $208.18. They are already putting people off. Those are not interested in products. Since the picture ads, if you are not interested in the products, there's something you're going for a product by including the price of the products. You can get a relaxing foot spa at home. Let's look at their dropshipping store currently. This is the dropshipping store. Ionic Detox Machine Cleans Foot Spa Massage. It's sold on their dropshipping website at the selling price of $173.97 USD. You can see the picture of the product. The specified rate was specified on AliExpress. As you can see on AliExpress, it says plug type US plug, EU plug, UK plug, AU plug. Currently on our website, specify US plug, UK plug, AU plug, EU plug. Quantity breaks. They're trying to upsell their potential customers. We try to add um, to it. You're going to get possibly a discount. Then look at this is a good one product dropshipping store. Why it has higher conversion, um, has higher conversion rates. It's easier to look like a brand as it is currently. It says free shipping on all orders, no minimums. It can easily look like a brand, and you can scale up your ads. Currently, this Zabi is running a Facebook ads for this product, but if you want to sell the product, you can also use YouTube ads to scale up your ads when selling this product. You also show the GIF, get your lasting food spa at home, show the GIF of the product size, usage of the product. Most of the expenses on this product will be going towards marketing, that is paying Facebook ads and YouTube ads. If you want to sell this product on your dropshipping store, social features of the product, it's effective, high performance, easy and convenient, how to use the product. You may also like they are selling other products on the store. Um, who we are, they specify who they are, and that is our B. Okay, thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. And if you get value from the video, please like, subscribe, and share.